Hello guys, my name is Ajay Luhar. Welcome back to my channel Stay Fit Everyday. Guys, I am back with another workout video for you. This video gonna be the challenge workout video for you guys, which is 3 minutes of plank workout at home. Basically, the plank works on your core, which means it will work throughout your body. It will work on your shoulder, on your biceps, on your triceps, on your upper ab, on your lower ab, on your middle ab, and on your side obliques, and also on your legs. So it's really good if you include this 3 minutes of plank workout along with your daily workout schedule. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon for the latest videos. So guys, let's go with me and try this 3 minutes of plank workout at home. And don't forget to mention your plank timing in the comment box below.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down, I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home.